Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a new product here. The company sent me, asked me if I would do a review on it. And I haven't had it out of the box yet, but I do know it's a gun station for cleaning. Hold your gun to see what's in the box though, alright? Okay. So, we got some bore rods, a handle, and a couple of bore brushes. So 2 bore brushes, and then 3 extensions along with your handle. Got some instructions there, I guess, if you need those. Okay, so that should release and come up. Yep. And snap down in place. That comes up, snap down in place. And of course, this slides apart to accommodate the various lengths of your rifles. Got a Phillips screwdriver here included, and we got what looked like some little feet. And yep, 2, 4, 6, 8 feet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 feet. So those are going to go on the bottom. That'll help that thing lift just a little bit, keep it from sliding while you're using it. Obviously you want it to slide closed there. So, hey, I think I'm going to like this. Pop that up, lay it down. We're ready to put it in the closet and store it. This is going to be a nice addition to what I need it for, to clean my rifles, my long guns, and I can't wait to put it in use. I'm excited that they gave you the rod and the 2 bore punches and the feet. So there you go. If you're looking for a cleaning station for your long guns or your rifles, I suggest you give this one here a look. There'll be a link in the description. So y'all give it a look. I think it's going to work out real well for me. Got this nice rubber pad in there to keep the rifle from slipping and sliding while you're cleaning it. So I think it's going to work well for me. If it works well for me, I believe it'll work well for you. Y'all give it a look. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.